In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert sub-customers to projects using QuickBooks Online. Before we jump into the actual conversion, there are a few things you'll want to set up so everything goes smoothly. First, make sure the Projects feature is turned on in your QuickBooks account. To do this, go to Account and Settings, then open the Advanced tab. Look for the Projects section and turn on the toggle that lets you organize job-related activity. Once that's enabled, click Save. This feature is what allows QuickBooks to treat work as projects instead of just customers and sub-customers, so it's an essential first step. Next, take a moment to review how your sub-customers are currently set up. Specifically, check whether the sub-customer you plan to convert has its own sub-customers under it. If it does, you'll need to edit those nested sub-customers first. Open each one, uncheck the Is a Sub-Customer box, and save your changes. You need to do this before you can successfully convert the main sub-customer into a project. It's also a good idea to review existing transactions for that sub-customer. When you convert it to a project, QuickBooks will automatically move related transactions like estimates, invoices, and payments into the new project. Most of the time, this works seamlessly, but after the conversion, plan to go back into that project and double-check that everything looks correct, especially if you have a lot of historical activity. Now let's walk through the actual conversion process. Start from the left navigation bar in QuickBooks Online. Click on Sales, and then select the Customers tab. This is where you'll see your full list of customers and sub-customers. Find the specific sub-customer you want to convert. Next to it, you may see a message that asks if you organize sub-customers as projects, along with a Convert Now link. If you see that, click it to begin. If you don't see that message, open the New Project drop-down instead and choose Convert from Sub-Customer. A list of eligible sub-customers will appear. Select the one you want to convert. When you're ready, click Convert, and then click Continue to confirm. After this, the sub-customer will be converted into a project, and it will no longer appear as a separate entry in your customer list. Finally, click the Go to Projects button. This will take you straight to the Projects Center, where you can see your new project, review its associated transactions, and start managing it like any other job in QuickBooks Online.